everyone, welcome to my first ever vlog, and this video also features my husband. So today, after being in lockdown for more than 2 months, we are taking a day trip. We are heading towards Carding Mill Valley, which is a beautiful hiking spot, and it has also got a beautiful river. So we are on our way, and the weather is amazing as well. There's a heat wave going on in the UK, so we are trying to make the most out of it. So let's get going. We made a quick stop at KFC to grab our lunch. So we have nearly arrived now. It was about an hour-long journey from where we live, and I forgot to mention earlier that this Carding Mill Valley is located near Shrewsbury, which is almost like a border to Wales from England.
But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab.
So we have just arrived, and my husband is going to pay for the parking tickets. I love the view, it's so nice. Okay.
You have to pay for 1 day.
1 day.
£5.
Wow, that's quite expensive. Can you not pay for like an hour or 2 hours? There's a beautiful pond ahead of me. There's so many beautiful things, like every little corner has a hidden surprise and a I'm really loving this hill. Wow. We still have a long way to go. I think the total time that we need to get up to the waterfall is about 40 to 45 minutes. It's getting a bit difficult for me to walk up the hills because we are not so used to walking in the heat, and this is probably our first hiking in this area. So we are almost at the top, and don't believe, guys, how many people are there. It's so crowded. I didn't expect this. Here's the guys. Yes, she did it! There are some horses and lambs and us and the sun. Tired?
Little.
She's nearly there. It looks like the waterfall has already dried because we cannot see anything. We've come really far on top, but still no sign of waterfall. So we are heading back now. We couldn't find, actually we found the waterfall, but it's all dry, so we cannot see the actual waterfall. But there's a really nice reservoir out there, which I think we showed previously. That's a really good spot to have a picnic or barbecue with your friends and family.
True.
I think we will come there back very soon. A little bit of rest before we start walking again. So we are heading towards the car park, and then we are heading home. So that was the end of our day trip hiking to Cardingale Valley. It was really refreshing to be out and walking. Although it was busier than we expected, but we still enjoyed, had a good time. It was a good 1.5 hour walk, so we burned a bit of calories as well. So we are on our home now. It should take another hour, and we will plan another day out as well, and we'll definitely vlog and post it as well. So see you in another video.